Peekaboo Pumpkin Crew. Today we're bringing a pumpkin to life. Will it be spooky, silly, or a little bit of both? Here's our pumpkin's secret blueprint. Nice and quick. So now we can jump right away to the exciting part, adding bold, clean lines with our marker. To start off our pumpkin, let's give it a nose. A little triangle-like shape that adds charm as it glows. Now let's sketch the mouth, with teeth that are dull, a goofy pumpkin grin that makes it quite full. Before we dive back in, wait a moment and don't let this slide. Hit subscribe, give a like, and ring that bell to join the ride. Now let's outline the pumpkin, with curves that are round, defining its shape, making our masterpiece profound. Time for the eyes. Let's make them big and bright, giving our pumpkin a look that's spooky and right. Now let's finish our pumpkin, making the shape complete, with a strong and funny stem that adds a touch of sweet. We're at the finish line, our pumpkin's looking fine. It is time to think about what colors we could combine. I bet your pumpkin looks just as awesome as mine. If you're ready for more free, peep-tastic videos like this one, head over to scribblepeeps.com. Bye.